So welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making chili sauce. This is really hot chili sauce. It's a brilliant recipe from English Country Life. Go and check them out and subscribe. It's a brilliant channel they've got. So these have been fermenting for over 2 weeks now. It's basically some really hot chilies in there with onions, garlic and some basil in there as well. So lots of really nice flavours. And for the past week I've just been getting this really intense smoky smell from them, and every day I'm having to lift this lid up because they're releasing gas, so you have to what they call burp it, which has been fun. So yeah, first process I've got to do is I've got to rinse, because it's been in salt water, so I've got to rinse all these chilies out, and then I'm going to blitz them. So the first thing I'm going to do is blitz all the chilies in my NutriBullet. This is quite an old one, so I don't mind using it for this. So I'm going to keep all the colours the same. So I'm going to start with the red ones, and there's Scotch bonnets, Trinidad scorpion, cherry bombs, all sorts of cheeky little chilies. So yeah, we're going to be blitzing it, and then I'm going to be sieving it, and then I'm going to be cooking it. Everything's going to be outside, because if I do it in my kitchen, you're going to get chili fumes everywhere. It's going to go in the eyes, going to go in the throat. It's not going to be very pleasant. So it's quite a nice sort of cooler, windy day today, so I'm doing it all outside. Okay, so you're just left with the skin and the seeds, and I don't waste these. After I've finished, I dry them out, dehydrate them, so I've got basically chopped chili flakes, which I'll keep. So I'm about to cook this sauce now. If you look at it, it looks really nice, very hot. So I like adding sugar, so I'll add a little cup of sugar per saucepan. A glug of cider vinegar. I'll cook it for 10 minutes. So I basically worked out that if I fill 2 of these larger clip top jars, when I blitz it and cook it, it will fill one of these smaller bottles. Again, it's one of these nice clip top ones. I get these cheaply from Wilko's, or you can get a bigger one, because I've got 3 pots here, so I'll need a bigger bottle to put them in. So I got that one from TK Maxx. So yeah, nice cheap bottles, but they're decent make, Kilner. So this is the consistency I'm after. Just a little bit more runny than tomato ketchup, I think, but you don't want much of this when you use it anyway, so just a few drips really. So this bottle's quite hot anyway. It's been in the oven at 100 degrees, so I don't want to be putting hot boiling chili sauce into a cold bottle, so both got to be hot. That'll do me. Beautiful chili sauce. So now I'm going to be straining the yellow sauce and cooking that. So again, I've got a bottle straight out into the oven. It's been at 100 degrees, so just taking that straight out, so it's red hot. No real wastage from the yellow. So yeah, I cooked this down nicely, so it's quite thick now. It was quite watery, so that's a nice consistency. So bottle this up now. So there you go, my red, amber, green chili sauce, all bottled up.